traffic police in the past, but I tell ya.
Fuck the police. Huh? Fuck the police. Waarvoor?
Hallo mannen!
Hallo meneer.
Hey, kom ons begin eers gou. Ek sien jy daar op die pad. Jy het 'n lig, jy het nie 'n lig nie. Lisensie so lank. Jy het nie 'n nommerplaat nie. Jy het ook nie 'n nommerplaat nie. Het jy disk? Jy het dus disk op die voet. So julle stem saam, die goed is nie op die pad nie.
Ja meneer.
Jy stem saam, jy mag nie met op 'n ware pad ry nie.
Ja meneer.
Het jy bestuurlisensie by jou? Het jy bestuurlisensie op jou? Wat is die probleem met ons nou hier?
Mag jy wees.
Jy het glad nie lisensie nie en die ding word nie op pad nie. Waar is julle op pad?
Ons op berge.
Ok, as die ding, julle het nie lisensie nie en die ding word op die pad en jy stoot vir hom. Nou verstaan vir my nou mooi. As ek vir jou vang ry vandag verder, ek gaan jou los nou. As ek jou vang ry, dan vat jy hom hier agterin. Dan gaan ek vir julle roekeloos en later toesluit. En die manier wat jy hier opgekom het, roekeloos en later bestuur, jy gaan self vat vanaand. Stoot vir hom hier vanaf, jy ry nie vir hom nie. Jy mag hom nie ry op openbare pad nie. Waar gaan jy? Waar gaan jy?
Ik heb het afgedeeld. Maar imagine ons krijg nog een op die pad. Nou, ons moet terug.
Wow, shit.
Good Lord.
Get your ID too. I appreciate you stopping for your buddy.
Oh, shit. Was I speeding? I guess I was. Good, how are you?
All right.
Yeah.
Going 73.
Yeah, I just was not paying attention. And then I saw you and I didn't even slow down. I was like, hey, there's a cop there.
Yeah.
It's just...
What's the camera for?
Well, I usually just go take videos, but so like I'll go out to Fairmount and I was going to check out the James Dean Museum.
Cool.
So I'll just take videos and...
Are your plates expired?
No, I actually renewed them online, but I haven't got the sticker yet.
Yeah, that's no problem. Same plate on here?
It should.
No, that's M5. This is M7. You have another one?
RC Charles.
I got 73. Well, I got 73. He said, I didn't even slow down.
I saw you both, and I was like, yeah, there's a cop, and I thought, oh, shit.
What year is your bike?
It's a 2017.
Ninja?
Yeah.
Is it Honda?
The Kawasaki.
Kawasaki Ninja.
All right.
Is that the one you just...
Yeah, it's the one I just gave you. This is a... I must have been off... Oh, that's right. I had a 2014. It got totaled, and I bet...
You said this is 17?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll bet carry it?
No. No, I have the permit, but...
It wouldn't be any good to have a permit if you don't carry the gun.
I know, but when I'm on the bike, it's just another thing I got to carry.
Worry about it.
And
You're not wrong.
I'm not... now, if I was going to the east side...
I don't know where the east side's at, but nonetheless...
Yeah. Here it is.
I'll give it to you. Okay.
This fucking guy with his one-handed wheelies. Oh shit, that cop's turning around. Damn, everyone just left us.
Don't sink in the dirt. Oh, it's because of his plate.
Oh, that's why he was chasing us? I thought he was chasing us because we illegally passed.
Can't get you all. It's like fishing, one at a time. Just your correct address, Mr. Bates, son. Bates being issued as warning for passing or passing zone. Need to sign there. It won't go on your driving record, but it will go on our database that we did make contact with today. Please drive our roads. It's fun, but you know what? Obey the laws. There's a couple hundred of you in it.
Oh, there was.
That many of you?
It just ended. So yeah, it was just our maybe 25, 30 bike group running that.
Oh yeah, I've been running into all of it. A couple of them were doing 80, and there's no way I'm gonna catch you. So, not in that thing.
Yeah, we were just trying to keep up because really.
I wrote your ticket on the speed, okay? I'm gonna give you a card. If you want to call her and get a diversion, that's something you can do through the mail. You don't have to go to court to get that done. Once you get signed up for it, don't get a speeding ticket for 6 months, and it gets dismissed.
Okay.
You don't have any points go against you that way, okay?
Yeah.
So if you want, if that might be something you're interested in, call this number. There's a different lady that does it now, but they'll get you to the right place. It's the same. Everything else is the same. Just the name's a little bit different.
Okay.
So call her, get signed up for that, and that's all you got to do. Other than don't get a speeding ticket.
Okay.
Okay. And I gave you till September 4th to get it done.
Okay.
If you do that, you don't have to call the court. But if you don't call her, then you need to call the court. But you only have to do one or the other. You don't have to do both.
Okay.
That makes sense?
Yep.
Okay. You have any
All right.
questions?
No, I don't.
Be careful.
All right. Thank you.
All right.